Welcome to one of America's premier citrus juice production facilities. Here, thousands of pounds of
Production begins with the harvest. Truckloads of vibrant tangerines arriving fresh from nearby groves. Every delivery undergoes immediate quality inspection. Color, size, firmness, sugar content, and freedom from damage.
Approved fruit moves to the processing line. Hydraulic bin tippers gently dump thousands of tangerines onto wide conveyors.
Watch the tangerines move away. Their vibrant orange color indicate perfect ripeness. Each fruit is perfect.
Before washing, workers perform a quick visual inspection, removing any fruit that shows obvious damage.
The washing system is critical for food safety. Tangerines must be thoroughly cleaned to remove field dirt.
multiple stages of washing begin with high-pressure water jets. These powerful sprays remove loose dirt. Soft brush rollers provide gentle but thorough scrubbing. These rotating brushes clean the citrus peel without damaging the delicate oil.
Final rinse stages use clean water to remove any remaining cleaning agents and debris. The tangerines emerge spotless.
The washed tangerines emerge glistening clean, their natural oils creating a beautiful shine on the peel. Now industrial air knives blow away excess water. This drying is important that snacks from dry fruit allows better than chips.
State-of-the-art optical sorters use high-resolution cameras and sophisticated software to analyze each tangerine. Color analysis identifies the ripest fruit. The deepest orange tangerines contain the highest sugar content and
Size grading ensures processing efficiency. Different equipment settings work best with specific fruit sizes, so any fruit with surface defects, soft spots, or irregular color is automatically diverted. These are the elite, premium-grade tangerines that passed every quality test. Perfect color, ideal. Precision scales measure the exact weight of fruit entering production. This data is crucial for process control.
A brief storage buffer allows smooth production flow. This holding area ensures the juice extraction equipment.
Now the transformation truly begins. The extraction equipment stands ready. Sophisticated machinery designed RV. Each tangerine is precisely positioned for optimal extraction. The feeding system orients the fruit correctly.
Industrial-scale extraction requires multiple processing units operating in parallel. This facility can
Sharp, rotating blades slice each tangerine in half with surgical precision. This exposes the juice-filled.
Rotating reamers press into the tangerine halves, crushing the juice vesicles and releasing their liquid.
The freshly extracted juice flows into stainless steel collection tanks. This raw juice is cloudy and pulpy, packed.
This is pure tangerine juice in its natural state, vibrant orange, slightly cloudy with natural pulp.
The spent tangerine halves, now just peel and pith, are automatically separated from the juice stream. These citrus.
The raw juice now enters a multi-stage filtration process. First, coarse screens remove large pulp piece clothing. Fine mesh screens capture smaller particles, tiny pieces of pulp membrane and cellular debris.
Centrifuges spin the juice at thousands of RPM, using centrifugal force to separate suspended solids from the liquid.
The clarified juice collects in holding tanks, now brilliantly clear with a beautiful amber orange color. The cloud.
Quality technicians analyze the clarified juice, measuring sugar content, acidity, vitamin C levels.
During processing, delicate citrus aroma compounds can be lost. An advanced recovery system captures these volatile.
Large blending tanks mix juice from multiple extraction batches. This ensures consistent flavor, color, and sweetness across the
Natural fruit acidity varies with growing conditions. Precise pH adjustment ensures consistent tartness.
Sugar content is standardized to target specifications, typically 10 to 12 bricks for tangerine juice.
Before pasteurization, the standardized juice undergoes final quality verification. Once approved,
The pasteurizer is sophisticated heat exchange equipment. It rapidly heats the juice to kill harmful bacteria and enzymes.
The juice is dip and double yup now 95 to 10 in seconds, using hot heat extras. This high temperature.
Belligerently. The heated juice flows through a holding tube for precise time at temperature, typically 15 to 30 seconds. Immediately after pasteurization, the juice is rapidly cooled to about 4 degrees Celsius. This flash cooling stops
Blurbithas. The pasteurized, cooled juice is stored in refrigerated tanks until bottling. These sealed tanks maintain
Post-pasteurization testing is extensive. Microbiological analysis confirms 0 harmful bacteria, while
microbiological testing plates samples on growth media. After incubation, technicians verify 0 pathogenic bacteria.
Vitamin C is sensitive to heat and on oxygen. Testing confirms that despite pasteurization, the juice is swimming.
Color measurement ensures consistency. A spectrophotometer precisely quantifies the orange hue.
Trained taste testers conduct sensory evaluation. They assess flavor intensity, sweetness, tartness balance.
Only after passing every test does the juice receive final approval. The quality manager authorizes its release.
With juice approved, attention turns to bottling. The packaging line prepares to receive the pasteurized juice.
Even though bottles are new, they're rinsed with sterile air and water. This removes any dust or particles from manufacturing, ensuring absolute cleanliness before juice filling.
Precision timing positions each bottle perfectly under a filling nozzle. The choreography is remarkable.
The filling nozzles dispense cold, pasteurized juice with remarkable precision. Each bottle receives exactly the same amount.
Look at those filled bottles. The bright orange juice clearly visible through the crystal clear plastic.
The capping station applies tamper-evident caps at high speed. These specialized closures seal the bottle, protect freshings. Each cap is spun onto the bottle and torqued to exact specifications. Too loose and it could leak, too tight and...
Seal integrity is tested through both automated sensors and manual spot checks. Any bottle...
The labeling station wraps each bottle in colorful product labels. These labels aren't just attractive red.
The label design showcases fresh tangerines and vibrant orange imagery, visually communicating the natural, fresh vision systems inspect every label, checking alignment, readability, and absence of wrinkles or tears. Only perfectly labeled bottles continue to packaging. Each bottle receives unique date codes, production date, and best by date. This provides complete traceability and ensures consumers receive fresh product.
Batch codes link each bottle to specific production records, which fruit was used, processing parameters, test results, complete traceability from grove to consumer. A final inspection station checks everything. Fill level, cap security, label quality, code...
Bottles are grouped for multi-pack creation, typically 4-packs, 6-packs, or 8-packs, depending on market preference. Shrink wrap film is applied around bottle groups. When heated, this plastic shrinks tightly, holding bottles securely together.
The wrapped bottles pass through a heat tunnel. Hot air shrinks the plastic tightly, creating a secure, attractive multi-pack that's easy for consumers to carry. The finished multi-packs look great. Bright orange juice visible through clear bottles, secured in tight shrink wrap.
Corrugated cardboard cases are automatically erected from flat blanks. These sturdy boxes provide protection during shipping and make handling efficient for retailers. Multi-packs are loaded into cases, typically holding 4 to 6 multi-packs depending on bottle size. Careful loading prevents damage during transportation. Cases are sealed with strong tape or hot melt adhesive. The closure must withstand stacking, handling, and transport.
Each case receives comprehensive labeling, product description, quantity, date codes, handling and
shipping barcodes enable real-time tracking through the distribution chain. From factory to warehouse to retail shelf, every case location is always known.
Inline scales verify each case contains the correct weight, catching any penny packing errors before cases are...
Quality doesn't stop at casing. Random cases are opened for inspection, verifying juice quality, packaging. Now cases move to palletizing, where they'll be stacked on wooden pallets for efficient forklift handling.
Robotic palletizers stack cases with impressive speed and precision.
Notice the stacking pattern. Each layer is rotated 90 degrees from the one below. This interlocking arrangement creates
Pallet height is carefully monitored. Too tall, and the load becomes unstable or won't fit in trucks.
Stretch wrap film is wound around the entire pallet load. Under tension, this plastic binds all cases together into a single stance.
The wrap tension is crucial, tight enough to secure the load, but not so tight it damages the cases.
Plates. Each completed pallet receives identification tags with comprehensive information. Product type.
Barcode scanners record each pallet in the warehouse management system. This real-time tracking provides instant visibility of inventory levels and locations.
Industrial forklifts transport the completed pallets to cold storage. These powerful vehicles make moving heavy loads look effortless, maintaining smooth product flow.
The warehouse is a massive refrigerated facility, maintaining constant 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. This cold temperature preserves.
Inside, the warehouse is meticulously organized. Pallets are arranged by production date and destination.
Continuous temperature monitoring is essential. Digital sensors throughout the warehouse track conditions 24/7.
Humidity control prevents condensation on cold bottles and cases. Precise moisture management protects packaging integrity.
Advanced software tracks every pallet's precise location, production date, and destination. This real-time.
When orders arrive, the warehouse management system directs forklift operators to specific pallets.
Quality audits continue even in storage. Random pallets are open for inspection, verifying that refrigeration.
At the loading docks, pallets are staged for truck loading. Timing is coordinated with delivery schedules.
Before loading, refrigerated truck temperatures are verified. Trailers must be pre-cooled to proper temperatures to maintain the cold chain during transportation.
Pallets are loaded strategically, considering delivery routes, product rotation requirements, and weight distribution.
Between production runs, comprehensive sanitation occurs. Every surface that contacts juice is cleaned, sanitized.
CIP systems automatically clean the complex network of pipes and tanks. Hot water, detergent, and sanitizer.
Regular maintenance keeps equipment running smoothly. Preventive service, calibration, and parts replacement prevent breakdowns and ensure consistent production quality.
Important. Continuous training ensures our team maintains the highest skills. From food safety to equipment operation.
Worker safety is paramount. Protective equipment, proper training, safety protocols, and ergonomic workstations ensure everyone goes home safe every day.
Environmental responsibility matters. Citrus peels are composted or processed for oils. Water is recycled.
Water recycling systems treat and reuse washing water. This reduces consumption dramatically while maintaining sanitation.
Real-time data monitoring tracks every aspect of production: processing rates, quality parameters, equipment efficiency.
Quality teams regularly analyze production data, identifying opportunities for improvement. This commitment to excellence ensures.
Every day, this facility produces tens of thousands of bottles of pure tangerine juice. From fresh fruit to
This is what it's all about. Beautiful bottles of pure tangerine juice. Bright orange, naturally delicious,